dear students of class 3. Today we are going to start with the reading. You have done the written work of lesson 7. I hope you have done. And as that work, the whole lesson I have given. So I'm giving you time to complete it. It's not hard and fast that you have to complete it like within 1 or 2 days. You have to complete it within the time which I have given in the app. Okay, I have given you 1 whole week so you can complete your work. So today I will be doing the reading and the explanation of this lesson 7, Exploring an Underwater World. Now this is written by Penny Howard. Penny Howard, she has written and she has shared her own experience of exploring the underwater world. Underwater world means exploring under the ocean bed, where she used to go for sailing adventure with her family. Now what does exploring means? Exploring means something which you don't know and then you explore it and you get knowledge. Explore, you get knowledge. Understood? So for example, I say that I want to explore the world. That means I want to travel the world. I want to explore more about the world. I want to explore about the different cultures of the world. That means I want to go for a world tour and I want to learn about different cultures other than Indian culture. There are many different cultures. I want to learn about that. So exploring an underwater world is a part of the autobiography of Penny Howard. Penny Howard. What is autobiography? Autobiography is auto means अपने आप से, biography means किसी की story, किसी की life story. So autobiography means, for example, I write my autobiography. That means I myself will write my life stories. Understood? Biography is, for example, someone else will write about my life. Someone else will write about my life. That is biography. And autobiography is जिसकी लाइफ के बारे में जिसकी भी लाइफ के बारे में उस बुक में बताया गया है, उसी ने वो बुक लिखी है. That is autobiography. So this is the part of the autobiography of Penny Howard, a girl who went on sailing adventure with her family. Now before starting, let's warm up. And what is it about, we will learn. On 28th August 1988, an unusual sailboat. Now what is sail? Sailboat, the boat which has sails. Now what are sails? You might have seen a boat like this, and then there is sometimes like a cloth. हम बोलते हैं कपड़ा लगा हुआ है. Like normally हम बोल देते हैं कपड़ा लगा हुआ है, but that is actually, this is called as sail, because this helps in this helps in moving the boat. So this is called as sailboat. The sailboat means a small boat with a sail. I will share few pictures in the group because there are many new words, many new sea creatures which you might have not seen. So I will share the pictures of those sea creatures, those sea animals in the group. I will share the picture of sail also. Okay. So it was a sailboat named Lorcha. Lorcha was the name of the sailboat. And when on 28th August 1988, it stopped at Harbourfront in Toronto, Ontario. Okay, in Canada. Toronto, Ontario, it's in Canada. So it stopped there. Now for 5 years, Lorcha had been the home for Penny Howard and her younger brother Peter. Okay, this is Penny, this girl, and her younger brother Peter. I will share another picture of this family also. So this is Penny Howard, and this is Peter and their father Fiona and Paul, and their parents Fiona and Paul, as they sailed from country to country around the world. Now they were on a sailing adventure for 5 years. 5 सालों के लिए. Understood? For 5 years. And when did they started? They started on 1st July 1983 on the 6th birthday. So you can make out that when they reached this at Harbourfront in Toronto, Ontario, that means this girl was nearly 6 plus 5. She was nearly 11 years of age. Understood? So on 1st July, it was the 6th birthday, 1983. It was the 6th birthday of this girl Penny, and they started with the sailing adventure on this sailboat named Locha. Now she, in this whole lesson, she has shared her experience. She has shared her experience how earlier she was scared of going snorkeling, and then how she gradually learned to dive, and how she learned about many sea creatures. She might have seen only fish, so many other sea creatures she came to know about them. She saw them with her own eyes. So she is telling all her experiences in this. When we left Canada, I could already swim like a fish, but I had never learned how to dive. What is dive? When the diver, jumps in the water, and first what goes in the water first is the arms and the head. जब वो आगे आर्म्स को आगे करके वो पानी में जंप करते हैं, that is dive. That is diving. So she was saying that I didn't know how to dive. I just knew how to swim. So she was saying that I didn't know how to dive or to go snorkeling. What is snorkel? Now what is snorkel? Snorkel is a simply curved tube. Understood? It's written, she has explained it. It's a curved tube with a mouthpiece. Understood? Here, this is actually snorkel, okay, just like a glass goggles की तरह, ठीक है. And then it has a tube, and then this tube extends up above the water surface, and you swim on the surface of the water with your face down, and you breathe through this snorkel, because this sticks up on the air above the water. I hope you have understanding this, that this is snorkel, and snorkeling is wearing this and going for diving, and it is that you have to just with this you just have to be like under the water. ज़्यादा नीचे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to be on the surface like this is the water surface. You have to be here only. You cannot go much deeper. It depends on the length of the tube. If the length of the tube is long, then yes, obviously you can go much deeper. But if it is small, then you have to be only on the surface of the ocean. So what she's saying, that I just knew how to swim. I didn't know how to dive or go snorkeling. That is to swim with a mask and a breathing tube. I've already told you what is snorkel. I first wanted to go snorkeling on Bucko Reef. Now what is a reef? Reef is a line of rocks or sand just above or just below the surface of the sea. Understood? Now obviously ocean, sea, there are so many organisms, there are so many you can say it is a kind of a small world inside the sea. एक छोटी सी दुनिया है एक तरीके से. Like we have our own world, our physical features like mountains, and we have rivers. Same way, under the ocean, deep in the seabed, we have a small, you can say, a world there. There rocks are also there are plants there, marine plants, there are organisms, many such things are there. So reef, what is a reef? Reef is a line of the substance which has been made. For example, rock, like that. It is made there naturally. किसी इंसान ने नहीं बनाया. That is naturally being made. So Bucko Reef is in Tobago. Understood? Tobago is an island, and it's a different country in the clear and warm waters of Caribbean. Caribbean is a sea, name of a sea, Caribbean See, now she is saying that when we started, I already knew how to swim, but I didn't know how to dive or snorkel. And she said that if I would learn snorkel, she thought that I will first learn in the Bucco Reef. I will first learn in the Bucco Reef in Tobago, okay, in Tobago Islands and in clear water of Caribbean Sea. Dad showed me how to put on a mask and a snorkel. Now, who taught Penny to snorkel? Her dad. The mask keeps an air space around your eyes, which enables you to see clearly through the water. Now, who taught Penny snorkeling? Her dad.